Hennessey's 2025 Tahoe and Suburban upgrade boosts the 6.2-liter V8 SUVs to 625 horsepower and 633 lb-ft of torque. Exclusive lightweight performance wheels, Brembo brakes, suspension lowering kit and badging further enhance the sportiness of the popular SUVs. The H600 Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban are available directly from Hennessey or through authorized Hennessey Performance dealers across the U.S. The new H600 Tahoe and Suburban are the first Hennessey vehicles available directly from authorized Chevrolet dealers and include full warranty, financing and ordering benefits. Texas-based hypercar maker and high-performance vehicle creator Hennessey has announced the new 625 horsepower of the 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban SUVs. The H600 Performance package includes a number of mechanical and aesthetic enhancements, from the new Magnuson Supercharger, sport touring exhaust and Brembo brakes to the menacingly lowered ride height and distinctive Hennessey wheels. The pair of full-size SUVs are the first General Motors models offered directly to customers through Hennessey's authorized Chevrolet dealers in the United States. The new GM-Hennessey relationship, which works like any other new vehicle purchase, will ensure that all Hennessey products come with comprehensive warranty coverage and GM's full range of financing products. Hennessey's upgrades to the powerful 6.2-liter V8 Tahoe and Suburban allow the Texan team to increase power by more than 200 horsepower to 625 horsepower at 5,500 RPM, while torque is up more than a third to 633 lb-ft at 4,200 RPM. The significant performance improvements make GM models some of the most formidable SUVs on the market. The H600's mechanical enhancements are paired with a number of distinctive visual upgrades. Sitting on 24-inch gloss black lightweight sport wheels, the GM SUVs are lowered by 2.5 inches for an even more distinct and sporty stance, while Hennessey badging inside and out acknowledges the numerous enhancements. The Hennessey upgrades are available on all Chevrolet Tahoe and Suburban models, featuring the more powerful 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8. All models are paired with a 10-speed transmission and a host of technologies to enhance the vehicle's drivability and safety. Heavy-duty 6-piston Brembo front brakes keep the power under control, while Firestone Firehawk Pursuit tires provide optimum grip and traction. Hennessey is now taking orders and shipping the enhanced 2025 H600 Tahoe and Suburban, backed by a full GM vehicle warranty and Hennessey's own 3-year/36,000 mile limited warranty.